So we're on the second floor of the house right now. New view of the yard. It's starting to look like we're starting to get it all landscaped. It takes time, slow, and a lot of work. The red dirt you see is not dirt. It's actually sawdust from the coconut trees. So, and that's all the new walkway. All going together. All of the dirt parts, like here and in between, will all have grass or flowers in it, depending on what Lynn does. So I'm going to go up. We're pouring the new roof on the top bedroom today. So I have 7 guys working, which is about $100, I guess, for the whole day for all of them. And what they're doing is mixing cement. Part of it up that, and they're pouring it on the roof, 1 bucket at a time. Let's see. Here's the progression. Every bucket to the tune of about 1 ton of cement, 1 ton of sand, and 30 bags of cement. And they do it 1 bucket at a time. And they started at 6. Some guys are there. And they started at 6 this morning. They'll be done about 7:30, 8 o'clock tonight. And this is the new bedroom. Let's see what the new porch looks like, the new deck. They did some of the tile work on the. This is going to be a dance floor up here. Let's see what the tile work looks like. Here's the tile work. It's just simple. View from upstairs. Yard, and all this crap. Backyard. This is a fish pond. They get fish to sell. We're actually going to dig this whole green, all the green you see right here. We're starting to dig that out. We're going to put our own fish pond in there. It'll be 4 feet deep. We'll probably dig a well over here, another well like that one out there, to keep the fish pond full. And we're going to have tilapia and catfish and probably freshwater eels. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, I thought you'd like that. Seeing what we got going on up here today. There's the stairway. Neighbor's house. There's the stairway down. Back onto the deck.